People's beauty are like stained glass windows. They sparkle and shine when the sun is out, but when the darkness sets in, their true beauty is revealed only if there's light from within. That was a quote from Swiss psychiatrist Elizabeth Kolber-Ross. As children, our perceptions of ourselves are simple. We aren't caught up by the shape of our noses, or if our hair is long or short, or the fullness of our lips. And we're definitely not caught up with the color of our skin. We were happy with who we were, like in the little oddities, because that's what made us us. Along the way, however, our perceptions become skewed by a world that is accommodating of unnecessary changes to people whose differences are utterly necessary. Love is a phenomenal thing, but when it's capitalized and used as a measuring stick, it forces those whose inner light has been dimmed to chase after the sun, an unattainable source of fulfillment. With the acknowledgement of the continuing skin bleaching phenomenon, PBCJ takes a look back in time to see what those who came before us had to say about the topic. I'm Raquel Robinson, and this is In Times Past.